channel Learn with Shaurya. So do you all know what we are going to do today? Yes, we are going to do an experiment with the air. You must have been read in the description box. So I will tell you the aim for the experiment is to show that air needs space. So I will show you this experiment where you can see this how and what supplies are needed for this experiment. The supplies needed will be available at your home in lockdown also, and it is easily available. So now let us start with the experiment. So the first thing we need is a plate. A normal plate I have taken. Then a glass or a big jar, a big glass I have taken. Then a matchstick. Then eraser, something for the holding purpose. Here I have used an eraser. Then some colored water. I have taken the red colored water. You can take any of the color for the colored purpose. So now let us start with the experiment. So the first thing we have to do is we have to put this eraser in the plate and take out one of the matchstick. And we have to place it in the center of the eraser. See, like this, and we have to put back in the plate only. So now we have to take some colored water and put it in the plate. Now you all can see that I have taken colored water out in the plate. So now we have to start with the experiment. So now we can use the matchstick and light this matchstick. On the glass also in place of it, and now lighting the candle. And we should put this immediately. You can see the whole process. See, the candle has stopped lighting and the water is coming up. See the water level. You can see this very clearly from there also. Yes, I will explain you why it's happening, but can we do it another time for your satisfaction? Yes. See this, all water is coming up. So guys, I've cleaned up everything and we will do this time once again for you all. So I've taken that plate only. Eraser also that only. Matchstick. See matchstick. And let us put this colored water once again. See, I once again put this water and let us just light this. You can use candle in place of this. I've used this eraser for the holding purpose and a matchstick. So now we should light it again. Oh. And guys, now you can see the process is being repeated once again. See, the water is being coming up. Slowly it's coming, but it's coming. Yes, the water is being came up. See. Yes. So do you all know why this process is happening, that why water is coming up? because the why the burning process has been done, because the oxygen in the air is present, and that is why the burning process is done. And I've kept this glass on this matchstick, and the oxygen is not in a more amount, it's only small amount inside the glass. So the burning process is stopped from some while. So that is why this matchstick has stopped burning and the water level is coming up. Yes. And it creates air pressure difference inside and outside the glass. It results in suction effects. The air present outside the glass applies pressure on water, and water rises in the glass until equal pressure is maintained inside and outside of the glass. But here you need to notice one thing. Although the lack of oxygen inside the glass is responsible for reduced air pressure inside the glass, but to some extent it compensated by expansion on heating. On burning the matchsticks, so the water level does not rise for some time. But as the matchstick stops burning, the expanded air starts to cool down and its volume decreases. And there is already lack of oxygen inside the glass due to the burning process. So the air pressure inside the glass drops and this creates suction effects. And the water rises into the glass as I have explained. So I hope you have enjoyed my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon, share and like the video.